What's up guys, my name is Bilal and this is our third Laravel 5 tutorial. In this tutorial, the first job we need to do is to download something called XAMPP because it is that XAMPP which includes the latest version of PHP. So whenever you run a PHP program or code, you must have that XAMPP installed on your computer. You may also use WAMP, AMP and there are plenty of others, but they all are almost the same. But in this course, we will be using XAMPP because it is equally good both for Windows environment and Mac. So to download XAMPP, go ahead and open your internet browser and just tap here, XAMPP download, and click this very first link. Now, if you are using Windows, you need to click either on this download button or on this download button, and your downloading will begin automatically. And if you are using Linux, you either click on this link or on this link. And if you are using Mac, you can either click on this link or on this link. But I'm not going to download it because I already have one setup downloaded, but you guys download it, and once your downloading is complete, go to your download section and you should see the XAMPP setup downloaded. So now it's time to install it. So just open it, click yes, click OK, click next, again next. Now what I recommend you guys to install it in the default location, which is this C drive, but I'm not going to install it because I already have that setup installed on my computer. But you guys go through the installation process. It may take 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your computer operating system. And once your installation is complete, after clicking on this next button, you should see the XAMPP folder in your C drive. And once you see the XAMPP folder in your C drive, it means that you have installed XAMPP on your computer successfully. And after you have successfully installed XAMPP on your computer, we need to download something called a composer, because Laravel utilizes composer to manage its dependencies. So before using Laravel, you will need to make sure that you have that composer installed on your computer. So to download composer, go ahead and open your internet browser and just type here laravel.com. Now click on this documentation and then right here click on this composer link. Now click on this download button and finally click on this link to download the composer. But again, I already have it, so I'm not going to download it, but you click on this link to download it, and once you have downloaded it, you should see this setup of composer in your download section. So now it's time to install it. Just open it, click yes, click next. Now again guys, go through the whole installation process, very simple, nothing weird. But remember, you must have this thing right here, which is this XAMPP/PHP/php.exe, and I'm very sure that it is there by default. But if you can't see this, then browse your XAMPP folder from there, then go to your PHP file, and inside the PHP file select this php.exe file and click OK. And once you have this thing right here, click next to complete the installation process. Well, the whole installation process takes less than a minute, and once you are done with this simple dimple installation process, open your command line prompt if you are on Windows and open your terminal if you are on Mac. But since this course is recorded on Windows, so I will open my CMD. So just type CMD, which is basically this command line prompt, and open it. And now from there, you need to go to your XAMPP folder. And if you have acted upon my recommendation, you should have that XAMPP folder in your C drive. And if you have your XAMPP folder in your C drive, just type cd and press enter. And now we are in our C drive. And if you have that XAMPP folder in some other location, then access that location using cmd, but I have it in my C drive. And once you have accessed that location, just type cd XAMPP /htdocs and press enter. And basically this htdoc folder is in your XAMPP folder. And once you are in your htdoc folder, go ahead and open your internet browser once again and just type here laravel.com. Go to the documentation, and from there just copy this whole thing. So copy, come back again to your terminal or cmd and paste it right here. Paste. Now this block is the name of our Laravel project, so name it anything you want, but I'm going to name it Laravel 5 and press enter. And now this installation process may take 17 to 15 minutes depending upon your internet connection, because it do require an internet connection. So right now I'm pausing my screen and I will come back after this installation gets completed. And now when you see the set successfully message on your command line, it means that your project is ready. But before we start working on our project, we need a text editor, and I will be using Sublime text editor in this course. And I also highly recommend you guys to use Sublime, because Sublime is very simple to use. But you may use any text editor of your choice. I have shared the Sublime download link in the description of this lecture, so just copy it from there, download it and install it as well. And once you have installed Sublime on your computer, just open it. Now we need to drag our Laravel project in Sublime, and I believe you remember where we have our project. So it's in the XAMPP drive, C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, and here is our project, and we named that project, if you remember, as Laravel 5. So now just drag it into your Sublime text editor. And now one last job I promise you need to do is to start your server, because you can only run your code when you have your server started. So we can start our server using cmd if you are on Windows and terminal if you're on Mac. So just open your terminal or cmd and now from there we need to access our project location. So my project is in C drive, and then XAMPP, htdocs, and the name of my project is Laravel 5. And once you are in your project location, just type php artisan serve and press enter. And once you see this message, Laravel development server started, it means that your server has been started. Now we need to copy this 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. So just copy it, go to your browser and paste it in the URL, and finally press enter. And now if you see this Laravel screen, it means that you have your job done. But if you have trouble during this lengthy and weird process, then post your question in the comment section, or you can also join my Facebook group for all types of queries. So at the end, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this lengthy tutorial, and I will see you guys next time.